What up, everybody? I'm finally back. Been in Vegas for the last few weeks working, but finally back, and it's time to go ahead and drop this vet off so this can get fixed. I don't think I said nothing about it on here, but I've been dealing with this harmonic balance of wobbling, and before I left to go to Vegas, it finally wobbled too far and threw the AC belt. So I don't know if you can see it in this, but the balance is wobbling out of place. So there's no AC right now. The belt is loose for that one. The belt for everything else is still connected, but it's just kind of, the pulley is out of place a little bit. So time to get this dropped off, and this should be fixed by later on today. So I should be back good, and then after that, it's time to start making some little changes here and there. Alright, and just like that, we're back in action. Dropped it off yesterday morning, I don't know, around like maybe 10 o'clock. So next day it's almost 2, so didn't take long. It's almost $1,000 to fix it, which I wasn't really trying to spend that, but you know, it is what it is, and I'm back rolling, so that's really all you can ask for. So it's time to go ahead and get this to the crib, and I don't know, stay tuned for some more updates, I guess. Alright, so I don't know if you can really see it. There we go. But new pulley on here, new belts, and yeah, it was almost touching this whole deal right there, but new pulley on, new belts, so we good. So next up, probably gonna be changing these brakes out, but we'll get to that when we get to it.